Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start by preparing your Samsung phone for an update. Charge the phone to at least 50% before starting an update. This prevents power loss during installation and avoids errors. Backup photos and data using Samsung Cloud or Smart Switch. Confirm your Google account and Samsung account are active. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network before downloading any updates. Disable battery saver and temporary VPNs to reduce interference. Set aside 20 to 60 minutes for the whole process, depending on update size. You have 3 reliable methods to update Samsung phones. Go to Settings, Software Update Download, and Install to check for updates. This method downloads and installs updates directly on the device. Use Smart Switch on a PC or Mac to update larger firmware files when OTA fails. Smart Switch preserves data and can flash stable factory images if needed. Install updates over Wi-Fi to avoid mobile data charges and interruptions. For major system upgrades, allow more time for optimization after reboot. If an update fails, follow these troubleshooting steps in order. Free at least 5 GB of storage if updates cannot download or install. Reboot the phone and retry the update once storage clears. Clear cache partition by booting into recovery when update errors persist. Disable custom ROMs and uninstall suspicious apps before retrying updates. Factory reset as a last resort after backing up all important data. If problems continue, contact Samsung support or visit an authorized service center for firmware repair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.